Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're making the Great American Chocolate Chip Cookies. First, we're going to whip out our shortening. Then we're going to put some sugar. Now we're going to add the eggs. Scrape down the bowl and mix it for 1 minute. Add the vanilla. We add 14 ounces of flour, but cut it on low so you don't make a mess. Now we add baking soda and salt. But continue mixing for approximately 30 seconds. Now here's the fun part. We added chocolate chips. Alright, now the dough is ready and we can add toppings to it. Like toffee.
So that's toffee?
M&M's, and all kinds of stuff. And now my dad will put the cookies in the pan. Now the cookies will be ready in 11 minutes. Now I'm going to put the pan in the oven. But be careful, kids. It's really hot. So I better put it in carefully. And there we go. Alright kids, now my dad will pull the cookies out of the oven. Now kids, remember, you need adult supervision. I'm just telling you.
Wow, look at that.
Yum yum. Alright guys, here's our Great American Chocolate Chip Cookies with M&M's, plain and toffee ones. I'm going to try the plain one because that's my favorite one ever. So good. I wish I could eat it, the whole plan of it, but I wish I could. This is the time to end out the video here. It's been so fun doing this with you guys, but I better get some sleep. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.